Hi students, how are you? I am your Soumya Miss. Welcome back to your online classes. In earlier classes, we have learned about an algebraic expressions along with their addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Okay. We also learned how to factorize an algebraic expression. Okay. How to factorize an algebraic expression. Some important identities are, can you say a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay. A minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square, and a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. Okay, today we are going to learn about a new chapter, polynomials. Can you heard about the term polynomial? Okay, a polynomial, an algebraic expression of the form p of x equal to a n x raised to n plus a n minus 1 x raised to n minus 1 plus etc. a2 x square plus a1 x square plus a0 x raised to 0, where a0, a1, a2 etc. an are constants and an not equal to 0, and a0, a1, a2 etc. an are called the coefficients of what? A0 is the coefficient of x raised to 0, a1 is the coefficient of x, a2 is the coefficient of x square, and an minus 1 is the coefficient of x raised to n minus 1, and an is the coefficient of x raised to n. Okay, understood? Polynomial is of the form p of x equal to this form. Okay, n is called the degree of the polynomial. What is the degree of the polynomial? N is called the degree of the polynomial. Degree means highest power. Okay. Then a polynomial consisting of one term is called a monomial. For example, a polynomial consisting of one term, that is x raised to 5. Second case, a polynomial consisting of two terms is called a binomial. Example, 3x square plus 3x. That is the example of binomial. Then, a polynomial consisting of three terms, 3x square minus 4x plus 4. This polynomial consisting of three terms, it is called a trinomial. A polynomial consisting of one term is called a monomial. A polynomial consisting of two terms is called a binomial. A polynomial consisting of three terms is called a trinomial. Okay, understand? Here three terms, 3x square first term, 4x minus 4x second term, and 4 third term. Okay. Okay, our first question, check whether the following are polynomial in one variable or not. Okay, question understood? Check whether the following are polynomial in one variable. First question, 4x square plus 3x plus 7. 4x square plus 3x plus 7. In this expression, which is the variable? Here x is the variable. Therefore, it is the polynomial in one variable x. Here x is the variable. Therefore, it is a polynomial in one variable x. First question, it is a polynomial in one variable. It is a polynomial in one variable. Okay. Our second question, y square plus root 2. Y square plus 2. Which is the variable in this question? Okay, can you say? Y is the variable. Therefore, it is a polynomial in y. Okay, this is a polynomial in one variable. Next, third question, 3 root 2t plus t root 2. Okay, 3 root t plus t root 2. This expression can be written as 3 root t means t raised to 1 by 2 plus t root t. This expression can be written as 3t raised to 1 by 2 plus t root 2. Okay, this is not a polynomial because the exponent of t is 1 by 2. Exponent of t is 1 by 2. Here, exponent of t is 1 by 2. Root t can be written as t raised to 1 by 2. Therefore, exponent of t is 1 by 2. It is not a whole number. 1 by 2 is not a whole number. It is not a whole number. It is not a whole number. Therefore, it is not a polynomial. is not a polynomial. Okay, this question 3t raised to 1 by 2 plus t root 2. This can be written as t raised to 1 by 2. Root t can be written as t raised to 1 by 2. T raised to 1 by 2, the exponent of t is 1 by 2. Therefore, it is not a whole number. Therefore, it is not a polynomial. Okay, understood? Then, next question. Our next question, y plus 2 by y. Y plus 2 by y. Fourth question. Y plus 2 by y. In this question, what will do? This question, it can be written as y plus 2 into y into raised to minus 1. 1 by y can be written as 1 by y equal to y raised to minus 1. Therefore, y plus 2y raised to minus 1. It is not a polynomial. What is the reason? Okay. It is not a polynomial. Here, exponent of y is minus 1. Exponent of y is minus 1. Minus 1 is a whole number. Yes or no? No. Okay. It is not a whole number. So, therefore, it is not a polynomial. In this question, it is not a polynomial. Okay. It is not a polynomial. Okay, understand? Y plus 2 by y is not a polynomial. Then, next question. Write the coefficient of 2 plus x square. Okay, question listen. Write the coefficient of 2 plus x square. Here the coefficient of x square is what? Coefficient of x square equal to 1. Then coefficient of x equal to also 1. Then this term constant term. Okay, understand? Then next 2 minus x square. Second question, 2 minus x square plus x cube. This coefficient of x square is here. The coefficient of x square equal to what? Okay, coefficient of x square equal to coefficient of x square equal to minus 1. Then coefficient of x cube equal to 1. This term constant term. Okay, next question. Pi by 2 x square. Third question, pi by 2 x square plus x. Here the coefficient of x square equal to pi by 2. Coefficient of x square equal to pi by 2. Okay, understand? Here the coefficient of x square equal to pi by 2 and coefficient of x equal to 1. Okay, next one more question. Fourth question. Root 2x minus 1. How many variables are in this question? One variable. X only, there are only one variable. How many terms? Root 2x, one term and minus 1 other term. Okay, here coefficient of x equal to root 2 and coefficient of x square. In this term x square, no, coefficient of x square equal to 0 and coefficient of x cube equal to 0. Then 1 is the constant term. Okay, all of you got. Then next topic, degree of the polynomial. What is degree of the polynomial? Degree of a polynomial is the highest power of the variable. Degree of a polynomial is the highest power of the variable. Okay, highest power Degree of a polynomial is the highest power of the variable. A polynomial of degree 1 is called a linear polynomial. Okay, a polynomial of degree 1 is called a linear polynomial. A polynomial of degree 2 is called a quadratic polynomial, and a polynomial of degree 3 is called a cubic polynomial. A polynomial of degree 1, for example, linear polynomial. For example of linear polynomial, a polynomial of degree 1, that is 5t minus root 7. In this polynomial, the variable t, the highest power of the variable, here the highest power of the variable is 1. Therefore, 5t can be written as 5t raised to minus 1 minus root 7. Therefore, the highest power equal to 1. This degree equal to 1. This is the linear polynomial. Example of linear polynomial. A polynomial of degree 2. It is called a quadratic polynomial. Quadratic means square. Quadratic polynomial. For example, a polynomial of degree 2 is called a quadratic polynomial. For example, y square plus 2y plus 5. In this polynomial, how many terms are there? Okay, first term y square, second term 2y, third term 5. Here the degree of the polynomial equal to, degree equal to highest power, that is 2. Highest power equal to 2. Okay. Then a polynomial of degree 3 is called a what? A polynomial of degree 3 is called a cubic polynomial. Next, cubic polynomial. A polynomial of degree 3 is called a cubic polynomial. For example, x cube plus 4x square plus 7x plus 7, okay, plus 7. A polynomial of degree 3, highest power, here the variable are x, the highest power of the variable are 3. Therefore, degree equal to 3. Okay. A polynomial of degree 1 is called a linear polynomial. A polynomial of degree 2 is called a quadratic polynomial. A polynomial of degree 3 is called a cubic polynomial. Okay, all of you understand? Then, next question, classify the following as linear, quadratic or cubic polynomial. Classify linear, quadratic and cubic polynomial. Linear, quadratic and cubic polynomial. Okay. Classify linear polynomial. For example, linear polynomial, a polynomial of degree 2, that is x square plus 6. Linear polynomial, a polynomial of degree 1, that is x plus 4. Quadratic, a polynomial of degree 2. Then cubic, a polynomial of degree 3, x cube plus x square plus 1. Another example, y plus root 2. Then 2y square plus 3y plus 8. Another example, then x cube plus x square plus 1. Okay, linear, quadratic and cubic polynomial, for example. Okay, today's class what will be studied? A polynomial of degree 1 is called a linear polynomial, a polynomial of degree 2 is called a quadratic polynomial, a polynomial of degree 3 is called a cubic polynomial. In general, the degree of a constant polynomial equal to 0. It's an important point. Degree of a constant polynomial. Degree of a constant polynomial equal to 0. For example, degree of 3 equal to 0. Then degree of 4 equal to 0. In general, degree of a constant polynomial equal to 0. Okay. All of you understood? Today's class over. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.